bunch of new construction over here, and I was just walking by. I saw a couple of pieces of antique glass sticking out of the dirt here because they dug all this up. And then this was over here. It was just sitting on top of the dirt. Is this antique? I can't tell. I would assume so because it's got this kind of that iridescence. What is this, an ashtray? I don't know. I'm gonna keep it though because it's got that little purple hue to it. And I'm gonna keep looking to see if there's anything else interesting over here. And if there is, then this video will continue. There is. What is this stuff? What is that? And is this antique? I think so. It could be an antique plate. Yeah, I don't know if this used to be a dump, this area. This particular patch of dirt clearly was for somebody. There's another piece of antique glass. Hello? Another piece of antique glass. 20 years ago, maybe I would have hoarded all this, but I mean, I'm pretty excited that I found this. Oh, I thought that was a bottle. It's just a rock. Best thing I ever found doing it, construction site archaeology, was a Coke bottle. So I'm always hoping that I'll find another Coke bottle. It was full. It was intact. It got dug up by a backhoe, but it was fine. Well, I'll be back over here a couple times before they put all this earth away.